Do you need to remodel before selling? Sometimes homeowners wonder whether they need to get their house ready with some remodeling in order to make it more appealing for buyers. Even with the market moving so quickly, there are items that should be done for you to get top dollar. I do think that items that need to be fixed are different in each house. When we walk through your home during the market analysis, we can give you our recommendations on what you should do. Here are 3 of the items we most often suggest replacing if needed, and for you to do them before listing or at least by closing. Number 1, do you have a T-lock roof? These roof shingles are no longer made, so replacement shingles can't be found. 95% of the time, the buyer will want the seller to replace the T-lock roof because the roof is not insurable by many insurance companies, and the few that do insure the roofs do so at a very reduced value. So this is really important. One of the reasons we have homeowners insurance is to cover our roof. Side note here, we have lots of weather in our area, as you know. Some of the architectural shingle roofs, which are the type that typically replace the T-lock roofs, are now needing to be replaced because they've been around for a while. We want you to be aware that this is something you may have to deal with when your home goes under contract and we work through inspections. If you do need to replace your roof, whether you have a T-lock or architectural, it is always a good idea to call your insurance company if you have wind or hail damage, because they may replace it for you. We'll talk more on inspections later in the series. Number 2, what shape is your flooring in? Carpet or other flooring that is worn, wrinkled, or stained has got to go. Frequently, I do suggest that it be replaced before we go active on the market, because it's a big visual item people will see as they walk through the house that sometimes becomes a sticking point, and they can't get past it. However, in this market we are in, if that is the only item in your home that needs to be fixed, we can usually get it past the buyer as long as we do it before closing. Number 3, paint. Paint is a very inexpensive upgrade, and a new coat of paint makes a huge difference in the look of your home. Sometimes painting just the area that is seen when you walk in the front door is enough to make your home present well. What colors do you have around your home? Neutrals are best when you are choosing to repaint, so let us know if you need help in deciding which colors to choose. Trim around the doors and the baseboards do take the brunt of damage from pets, shoes, kids, and all of us. So freshening that paint up also helps with your home looking fresh and clean. Again, I can guide you on what repairs, if any, you should make. We want you to have selling success.